In this VSDC tutorial, I will show you how to create a vertical video clip with a duplicate clip stretched and blurred as background. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in VSDC. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, I've gone ahead and brought this clip into VSDC. Now, it's a bit of a pain bringing the clip back in, so effectively all you need to do is just place your pointer over the clip, right click, then select copy, and place your pointer just below the clip, right click again and select paste, and this will put the clip back in at the bottom again. Make sure that your timeline marker is at the beginning. Okay, select the clip in layer 1, or make sure it's below this one here, and then to the right hand side you've got your properties window. What you're looking for is stretch video. It will say no. If you just left click on this, the little arrow will come up. Select the arrow and then select yes, and this will stretch the clip. Now, rather than going through all this here, all I'm going to do is right click on the bottom clip, then next to video effects, next to filters, you've got a couple of blur options, so you need to decide which one you want to use. So let's say we'll go Gaussian blur, select OK, and then you've got your levels here you can adjust. So basically you need to select the number 4, and you can either manually type a figure in or use the little arrows and just hold your left mouse button down to adjust the amount of blur you want. I won't go into resizing this clip here. You could resize this clip again, but for now I'm just going to leave this tutorial as is. Won't go into rendering. Like I said at the beginning, I assume you got some knowledge of using VSDC, so hopefully that helps someone. Thank you for watching. Cheers.